Hello everyone, welcome back to Creation by Favi. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and welcome. My name is Fanny and I post videos every Monday and Thursday doing a lot of quick and easy DIYs, everything on the budget. So if you love crafting DIYs and you love that kind of content, I would love that you hit the subscribe button around here. Get subscribed and be part of this awesome family. And today's video, I'm so excited because I cannot get enough for the all red truck. I cannot. And this year, all my theme about Christmas going to be the red truck. So you guys are ready to see what I did, so keep watching. So hello again. We're going to be needing a foam board, a truck from the dollar store, some paints, and also rulers and wooden letters, some popsicle sticks, and some leftover a little piece of wood that I had for previous DIY. So first I start with the ruler, marking 3 inches separate, and then I use the Sharpie and then I trace the lines, and then I'm going to be using the antique wax to go over the lines, as you can see. Then with the same antique wax, I will be using all over the foam, just here and there, not too much with the brush dry, just a little bit here and there, as you can see, just to try to create that illusion that is like wood. Then I use the moss color chalk paint as well, and then I repeat the same step and I end it with something like that. Then I use the brown oxide paint on those pieces of foam that I got it from a package. and after I paint it, I go back with the foam board and I use the hot glue and then attach it, one on the bottom, one on the top, as you can see. Next, with the little truck, I got some red paint, but at first I removed the lid and also the little bowl, and then I use a little bit of sandpaper and I tried to paint it and I didn't like it at all, so I ended using the back of the frame. I think it came out better. I used the hair dryer to quick process, and then I used the black paint. I paint the wheels. Then I draw the back window with the pencil, and then I had like a piece of wood. This board, I just cut it to create like the back of the truck. So I used those and then I painted, and I'm also going to be using some popsicle sticks, but first I'm going to cut the bottom, only one side, because I want it flat, and then I'm going to be gluing a group of 5. Just like so. Then I repeat the same step and I painted them red. I also got some buttons, and then I used the white chalk paint to create the window, and I also added a little bit of the edge around the edges of the truck. Then I just put all the pieces together to create the back of the truck, as you can see. Next, I use some gray paint to paint the bumper, I think it called, of the truck, as you can see. I also added a little bit on top of the back of the truck just to give it like more weather look. And then I was trying just to write a little message on it, and then I used just a little brush with the chalk paint because the paint markers that I was trying to use, it didn't work at all. So well, I ended with something like that. I think it came out really nice. And then I create a little tree. So what I did, it was just draw a little tree on the cardboard, and then I painted, and then I just place it on top to the truck, just like so. So I ended use a little bit of black paint also on the buttons. Next, I paint the wood letters with the color green and black, just like so. And now we are ready to create a beautiful sign using our adorable red truck. trying to figure out how I'm going to place the letters, and then I realized that I was wrong spelling the word fresh, so I pull it apart and fix it, and nothing happened. Then I glue the red rock with hot glue and also with E6000, and voila, I think it came out so cute. I really love this Christmas sign with this old red rock. Oh, it's just adorable. It's me again. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, and be part of this awesome crafty family. That's what we are. So ciao ciao.